Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. As we were discussing Python dictionaries, so today we will discuss nested dictionaries. As the name indicates, nested dictionary is supposed to be a network of dictionaries. So a nested dictionary which have more than one dictionary inside it is called nested dictionary. So let's see an example of this. So here is an example in which we have three dictionaries inside a nested dictionary. First one is my family. It has three variables, child name, year. Second one also have three variables, and the third also has three variables. So in this way, we can call three or more than three dictionaries inside a nested dictionary. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will inshallah meet in the next video. Till then, it's goodbye.